So I saw this on the internet and I just had to try it myself. I don't know if you could see that, but you can actually see the burrs on this serrated edge. You can tell it's not real smooth, and it is extremely dull.
I don't know what dull means.
And that means it's not sharp. It means that I have to struggle to get through it. So I saw this on the internet and I was like, ooh, I gotta try that. And what it was is just basically, they used a sponge or something. And they did this. This is some 400, or yeah, this is the 400 grit. Well, what I'm doing is I'm sanding out all the burrs. All right, I mean, some of those are pretty bad, man. I'd hate to go any less than 400. I guess you could. Yeah, just as long as it gets those burrs out. Now I got distracted with the sun and didn't do the paper test. It is a lot sharper than it was before. I wouldn't call it sharp, but it's definitely better. I can feel the edge. And that was just I don't know, minute or so on the 400 grit. I got some 600 grit here too. Let me try that. See ya, dude. Kid was having an epic meltdown. Epic. Oh. All right. I can feel that. That was just another minute or so with the, I got 600 here. I wish I had some 800 or 1,000 or whatnot, but I don't have it. Yeah, that sucked. All right, maybe the 400 was better. Or, what was this? Yeah, maybe it was the 400 that was better. Yeah, there we go. Just got to get the right angle. I'll give it another minute with the 600 here. Why not? But yeah, hey, look at that. The internet's worth something.